Namaskar guys, it's a new day for a new video. Welcome back to my channel. So it's not going to be a vlog sort of a thing. Mostly it'll be like a review. So I've got this package from Amazon. I know what's inside it, but don't you want to know about it? Let's go open it up. Kechi ka gaya, kechi got it. Alright, so I had ordered 2 of my vlogging essentials. I really need a wide cam. I don't fit into it properly. This is just the mount. The real deal is ye bhai sahab. This is GoPro Action 12 black. Let's go ahead and open this up. Dun-ta-da! Here is the GoPro Hero 12 black. That's the box. I think there's something more in it. Alright, I have also got, this is a SD card, 64 GB. And we also have battery, extra battery, enduro battery, long lasting, wide temperature range. All right, चलो बैटरी खोल के देखते हैं क्या है, कैसा है बैटरी. Well, in the picture वहाँ पे 2 बैटरी दिखाया था. Okay, यहाँ में तो एक ही बैटरी है. Pro tips for the best cold weather performance. इतने बड़े पैकेट में सिर्फ इतना छोटा सा बैटरी. This camera has a very bad autofocus. Let the battery be aside. Let's head for the star of the show. अरे भाई इतना ग्लू क्यों लगाता है? Seems like an ice cube tray. Here's a quick guide, subscription leaflet, stickers, pro tips, yeah, manual. There we go. Let me give you the close-up look. Okay, we have a screw mount as well. Very nice. I can use it on my tripod. Ta-da! Hello. You can see the color is a bit different. It's not completely black. There's something in it. See there? It's not totally black. Alright, so what do we have else other than that? A Type-C cable from a USB, helmet mounts, the original battery, and a screw. I guess we have to get rid of this, or maybe not, let it be. It's just rubber. Alright, I got it. There you go. Clip on, stick it up. It doesn't come off. Very nice. Alright, let me get rid of the. Okay, so these were everything that I got with it. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Let's put on the battery first. Okay, where do we get the battery on? There we go. The battery gets inside this. Pretty neat. Okay, here we have the GoPro Quick app getting installed. Almost there. Alright folks, what's that? Turn on to control your camera using your voice. I don't think so, I need that. Insert SD card. Alright, let's insert the SD card. Okay, I'll need the scissors again. Okay भाई लोग, after a tremendous amount of struggle हमने निकाल लिया है SD card. Let's go put it on the camera. Let's first switch it off. Alright, SD card हमने लगा ली है. Let's put battery back again. क्या हो गया भाई, जिद क्यों कर रहा है? लग जा. लग गया. चालू करते हैं फिर. Let's try it. Voice control language is set to English. Confirm. Okay, I guess I need to charge this thing. Chalo bhai. The rest of the video after it gets charged. Okay, hopefully we are above 20% charge now. Voice control language is set to English. Confirm. Install GoPro Quick app on your phone to finish up. Leave the camera. Follow the app's instruction. Alright. Hero 12 Black. Connect. Let's connect. We found your GoPro. Connect. चलो भाई जल्दी हो जाओ, जल्दी हो जाओ. Oh wow. Let's install and update. Continue. General update, security update, usability update, camera. अच्छा, it gets downloaded on the phone और फिर कैमरे में ट्रांसफ़र करता है. I got it. Are we done? Okay, installing update. Update complete. Got it. I don't think I need this app anymore. Okay भाई लोग, I won't bore you with all these installation procedures. तो एक काम करते हैं. Let me get this done and we'll go out to test it. Alright? See you then. Okay, installation complete हो गया. What do we have here now? Video standard quality, highest quality, captures video in 4K. Lens and slow motion combination may use lower resolution. Alright, lowest would be 1080. Let's stay in 4K. What is this? Digital lens, wide, super view, linear. Okay, I would use this. What's this? Slow-mo automatically selects the highest. I think I would do this. What's this? Widescreen framing, vertical, full frame. Whatcha? I would use this most of the time. Let me use linear for now. Alright folks, so this is the footage from the GoPro 12 Black. I'm not using any external or lavalier mic. It's the inbuilt microphone on the camera. We will do an extensive test on this, maybe a POV or a bike ride, or let's see what we get. Until then, take care.